Hello everyone, today I will show you how to insert a radio button in a fillable PDF form using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your fillable PDF form and go form option, and here you will find this radio button option. Click on this button and drag your mouse cursor and do the radio button. Now press right button for the mouse cursor and go properties dialog box. Properties dialog box, general option. Here you can change radio button name, appearance option. You can change border color, fill color, and radio button symbol color, and make it this color. And option. Here you can change button style. I'll make it default circle and select close. And see this radio button now created. And similar way, we'll insert another one. And this button name and this button name will be same. Select properties, general, and make it 0 and select close. And see this. In this way you can insert a radio button, and all of this radio button name will be same. And see this one name and this one name now same. See this, and this one also. Each radio button name will be same. Yeah. And finally see this file option, save or save as a fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.